What if your office job disappears? Not because you were fired, but because a computer slowly replaced your work. Across America, this is already happening, and many workers don't even realize it yet. Artificial intelligence was once seen as a future idea. Today, it is rapidly becoming a reality inside American offices. From writing emails, to analyzing data, and even managing schedules. This transformation is not happening overnight. Job by job, role by role, the modern workplace is being reshaped. The question is whether workers are truly prepared for it. Artificial intelligence is not replacing jobs overnight. Instead, it is slowly replacing individual tasks. And this difference is critical to understand. This does not mean humans are no longer needed, but it does mean that fewer people can now do the same amount of work. Emails that once took 20 minutes to write are now generated in seconds. Long reports that required hours of reading are summarized almost instantly. Customer service teams are supported by chat systems that can respond to thousands of people at the same time. In finance departments, AI tools review data, identify patterns, and flag risks faster than any human team. In human resources, software scans resumes, filters candidates, and schedules interviews automatically. Even creative roles are no longer untouched. AI now helps generate marketing ideas, edit videos, design presentations, and write content drafts. In offices across the United States, many employees still hold the same job titles, but the work they do each day is changing. For some workers, this creates opportunity. They learn new tools and become more productive. For others, it creates pressure. Skills that were valuable for years can suddenly feel outdated. The most important change is speed. Technology is advancing faster than training systems, companies, and workers can adapt. And this gap is where uncertainty begins. Artificial intelligence is not just changing how work gets done, it is changing what it means to be valuable at work. In the coming years, skills like creativity, critical thinking, and adaptability will matter more than ever. Jobs will not simply disappear, they will evolve. The workers who learn how to work with AI, instead of competing against it, will have the greatest advantage.